who said eating vegan and high protein has to be expensive. Many people think a vegan diet means costly ingredients and lack of protein, but that's simply not true. The reality is, you can enjoy easy high-protein recipes for vegans on a budget using simple, everyday staples without breaking the bank. The biggest challenge is balancing protein intake while keeping meals affordable. People often assume vegan meals aren't filling enough for weight loss or muscle gain. But here's the truth. When you plan ahead and keep budget-friendly vegan protein staples at home, you'll save money and fuel your body with nutrient-dense meals. Stick around, because in this guide, we'll cover delicious and affordable vegan high-protein meals that are filling, tasty, and wallet-friendly. Getting enough protein is one of the biggest concerns for people on a vegan diet. But here's the truth. Protein isn't just for bodybuilders, it's essential for weight loss, satiety, and muscle gain. When you eat high-protein vegan meals, your body burns more calories during digestion, keeping your metabolism active. Many still believe the myth that plant-based protein is inferior to animal protein, but studies show that with the right combinations, it's just as effective for building lean muscle. Affordable sources like lentils, beans, tofu, tempeh, chickpeas, quinoa, and seitan provide all the protein you need without overspending. So don't worry, choosing vegan recipes high protein on a budget is not only possible, it's a smart way to stay healthy, save money, and reach your fitness goals. To succeed with easy high-protein recipes for vegans on a budget, you need to stock your kitchen with affordable staples. Canned beans and lentils are lifesavers. They're cheap, last long, and pack plenty of protein. Tofu and tempeh are versatile high-protein foods that can be stir-fried, grilled, or added to soups. Don't forget frozen veggies. They're affordable, nutritious, and help you cut cooking time in half. Keep whole grains like oats, rice, and quinoa, plus protein boosters like peanut butter, chia seeds, and flax seeds. These give you endless budget-friendly meal options. Breakfast sets the tone for your day. With cheap vegan breakfast high-protein ideas, you can fuel up without overspending. Try overnight oats with chia seeds and peanut butter, creamy, filling, and packed with protein. A tofu scramble with spinach and mushrooms is the perfect egg-free alternative, giving you that savory breakfast vibe. Blend up a protein smoothie with banana, oats, and soy milk. Fast, cheap, and energizing for busy mornings. These simple breakfasts prove you don't need eggs or meat to enjoy easy vegan protein recipes every morning. Lunch doesn't have to be complicated. With budget-friendly vegan lunch ideas, you'll stay full and energized all afternoon. A chickpea salad sandwich with whole grain bread is protein-rich, cheap, and easy to pack. Warm up with a bowl of lentil soup with carrots and celery, comforting, nutritious, and packed with plant protein. Build a quinoa and black bean burrito bowl with salsa and avocado, colorful, filling, and high protein. These high-protein vegan meals, budget-friendly, prove you can eat healthy without overspending. Dinner is the best time to enjoy hearty high-protein vegan dinner recipes without overspending. Try a tempeh stir-fry with frozen veggies, cheap, quick, and packed with protein. A bowl of spaghetti with lentil bolognese gives you Italian flavor with plant-based protein power. For cozy nights, make black bean chili with brown rice. It's filling, protein-rich, and easy to meal prep. These affordable vegan high-protein meals show you don't need expensive ingredients to eat well and support your goals. Snacks can also be protein-packed vegan snacks, perfect for busy days or meal prep. Try crunchy roasted chickpeas with spices. They're cheap, high protein, and addictive. Make energy balls with oats and peanut butter, a no-bake snack that's portable and filling. Homemade hummus with carrot sticks is an easy dip snack full of plant-based protein. These affordable vegan snacks protein prove that eating high protein doesn't need to be expensive. Eating easy high-protein recipes for vegans on a budget is all about smart shopping and planning. Buy in bulk. Beans, lentils, and oats are cheap vegan protein staples that last long. Stick to seasonal produce. It's fresher, cheaper, and perfect for plant-based budget meals. Prep meals ahead of time to avoid waste and make vegan meal prep on a budget simple. Use versatile staples like tofu, chickpeas, and rice that can be cooked in many different ways. So, eating easy high-protein recipes for vegans on a budget doesn't have to be hard or expensive. With cheap staples like beans, lentils, tofu, and chickpeas, you can fuel your body without overspending. These meals support weight loss, muscle gain, and all-day energy while being 100% plant-based. The key is balance. Plan ahead, cook simple, and enjoy healthy vegan meals on a budget every day. Try one recipe this week and see how filling and satisfying a vegan diet with high protein can be.